So we're going to run some tests for the different labels to apply them on the cards. Here you can see the input hopper. This is the normal input feeder. Normally the width is 22 up to 22 centimeters. Here you can adjust the product width actually. Since this is quite a small product we want to transport, we actually put some additional adapters into the machine, which will be connected on both sides. Transport the cards in the right position. So now we can adjust the input hopper on the exact side of the size of the cards. Since you only want to do cards with this machine, you would always leave them in. We have 2 screws here and can properly connect them and fixate them. Okay. Now the product will be kept in place. Perfect. You can stack products up to this high. You can stack products here up to this high, as you can see. Then here we have the conveyor belt. What we'll do to keep, normally there are these 4 rubber ribbons which will transport the product. It's already working right now. Let me just check. As you can see, the product still already, it stays in place when it passes the machine, but to make sure that it cannot be moved, or it always stays in the right position, we can here connect these 2 side holders, which also gives additional assurance that the product is kept in place. Okay, I'm going to connect those both. They're just easily connected. This is an additional option, which are 2 additional plastic rolls which actually press down the product onto the conveyor belt. This is only needed if the product is very light and the weight of the product is not enough to keep the product in place. Here, as you can see, these are just connected with 2 screws. But we need 2 of them actually, one on the inner side and one on the outer side. So. As you can see, you're very flexible. You can just move these back and forth. If you have a wider cards, different products, you can just move them back and forth. And the only thing you have to do is you have to align the input hopper again, load the new labels, and then you're good to go. I'm just gonna screw them on and then we run a live test. This was just to show.